February 21st, 2024. An anonymous call, a name, an address. Officers had been tracking her for weeks. A pattern of theft, the same target again and again. They drove out, they knocked, they waited. And while waiting, one officer ran the plates on a truck in the driveway. That's when this stopped being a simple shoplifting case.
Big house.
Female, about 30. Brown eye.
Inside the house was her boyfriend, booked for abandonment of a dependent child, a charge that asks something dark about a person.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm Detective Franco with the police department. Is there a girl that lives here named Camry?
Mm-hmm.
Is she here?
It's my door, yeah.
Is she here right now? I need to talk to her. Go get my folder, and I'll ask about him. She's still on target.
Yeah, but I think it was here.
Are they actually going to press charges? Sweet.
Hey,
Hey.
are you Camry?
Yes.
Hey, I need to talk to you about some incidents at Target.
Uh-huh.
That you?
Let me see.
Huh?
Let me see.
Okay. That's good. That's you in all those photos, ain't it?
Mm-mm. Two of them it is.
Alright, let me...
Okay, so what
I know this one's you. I know.
what's
I'm investigating these shopliftings.
okay.
I know
That's
that.
me.
Okay, which other one is you?
When the rest of
What I
them
thought is them say somebody damn fight or something. But
No.
charge you with this stupid
No,
deed.
this was just the 11th. She went in there, and this was on the 29th. The same car's been going in there over and over and over, taking stuff. But that one ain't you right there.
Mm-mm.
And these are the only
What
two.
car? I
Uh,
led you to my house.
no, I did a bunch of research, and I went and showed these pictures on the streets, and somebody,
That sent you here.
well, they gave me your name, and so
And they what my address was from.
I did research on you. Have you ever been arrested for shoplifting before?
Is this a trial or something? Are y'all finna lock her up or something?
Oh no, I'm going to take warrants on her, but I just wanted to talk to her about the situation, and so have you haven't been arrested for shoplifting, have you?
I was like 17, 18,
I
30.
didn't even realize it, but I arrested you back in 2017 for a DUI when I was looking through the gas station.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
Okay.
we'll deal with that.
So who brought y'all to my house? Be honest.
No, I brought myself. Like I said,
Who gave y'all my address though? My address don't show up to none of them. What cars did you see come to the store?
Well, it's not registered to you, but when I look up your history, I have this.
So what about the car I was in? Like, what's like at the end of the day, like, what is it like? Because I know how they say the car.
Well, that one car is linked. I linked, to a whole.
So do it got anything like what I got going on? Do it got anything to do with the cars? Like, can y'all be able to talk to them?
I haven't found everybody yet, but
So who car have you seen?
it's a one registered to some lady that lives in Madison County. It's a
Well, don't go bother her. She don't got nothing to do with
a
it.
maroon.
She don't got nothing to do with it. That's the old
So
lady.
you don't know who that other girl is in that?
No.
Whose truck is this right here?
That don't got nothing to do with nothing. That truck just got bought the other day.
Okay, well, here's the thing. You do have an arrest warrant. Not for the shoplifting, but for a traffic ticket. So we're going to put you...
Oh my God, let me get my clothes.
Stop.
Hey, what the fuck is y'all fucking lie?
Hey, you have a warrant.
Let me get my...
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all some fucking lying. I told you not to open the door.
Let me see the warrant.
She has it.
Let me see the fucking warrant. What's your lying?
Where's the warrant? Where is the warrant?
We don't have to provide the
No,
warrant.
yes, the you do. You can't just come lock me up without no warrant. Y'all are not no shitters.
There's no
We
warrant.
have the power to
Mama, go get my
Right now,
sauce.
you're just arrested
Go give me
for
some white
nothing.
sauce.
We are not. Go inside and get her shoes like she's asked.
I don't
see nothing.
Cause I told you not to open the door. It's a twist.
Girl, I cannot open no door. I'm telling you that stinking goddamn.
It ain't got nothing to do with
I don't like
nothing.
that mother.
Man, come on.
Okay, let me lock these. So
Like,
they don't-
y'all some liars.
Listen,
Wayne the warrant did take me to jail.
we
Yes,
didn't.
come.
See some violence here?
No, we're recording.
Pull away from us.
Listen,
Y'all some lying. That's why you waited till my mama in the house to lie.
But calm
no,
down.
listen.
Let me get out here. Call.
I know. Let me lock these so they don't get tighter on you.
These mother.
Listen, it's alright.
Man, come on. Come on.
I'm trying to.
Just come on. Come on.
I
Come
am trying to.
Stop. That's the whole nother
Listen to
something
me.
else.
Man, come
I
on.
don't see nothing, no
That's what I'm
paperwork.
saying.
There's no
Stop.
crime done here.
Damn.
Go and get the shoes, please.
Man,
I need
Ma'am.
white. God, it's white.
Please go get shoes. She's asked for shoes.
I don't, sir. I don't smoke.
Julius, y'all call me.
Hey,
Call me and tell her to come pick me up.
Hey,
Call my
come on.
daddy.
You're Jeremy, right? No, you don't. You gotta
Come on out, man.
Another child. Put your hands
It's still showing active, my man.
hey,
Yeah, double check
They
that.
say they don't want you.
Hey,
We'll take care of it. It is showing up as abandonment of a child.
Hey,
Thank you for cooperating, my man.
I did child
If they say they don't want you, but it's in the system, it says abandonment of a child.
Yeah.
I was here looking for her. I just thought I had the wrong address. So I checked that tag and it showed you had the warrant. So
Man, can y'all just leave? I gotta stay here. This too much
we'll
attention.
get out of here as soon as we can.
if you'll just lean up against the 911 right there, okay? I trust you that you don't have anything, but I just want to make sure that you don't get a felony when you get inside, okay? Lean up against the
Mama!
Lean,
Mama!
lean up against
Come
the,
here!
It's what?
Come here!
We're 1026. Idiot.
Lean up against the
Come
9.
here!
All right, you got anything on you I need to know about before we search?
Lean up against the 911 for me. Thank you. It's silly, but people hide stuff in their belly buttons, and that's where they're making us check now, okay?
We're double checking the warrant right now, okay?
Yeah.
You just got keys in the wallet right here? Okay.
You don't have any panties on or anything?
No.
Okay.
Call this number right quick. And just ask him.
Who it is?
351. Name, please. Come on,
Put it in the back of my car.
351.
All right, I'll roll the window down. Have a seat right here for me. Slide in with the booty first.
Mama, call me.
351.
Let me-
4880.
You already know Steve White shirt you on.
For her
Yeah,
or for him?
for her. He got long Steve.
If you want to, Shell Nut, you want to carry that up there?
Yeah, that's fine.
Not wanted at this point now. She's in the car.
Here, I'll go ask her, okay?
I'm gonna roll the window down, okay?
Yeah.
Don't bring that hoe to my house no more. Junior said he saw a black car ride up and down the street yesterday. That was her fat ass. We done. Can y'all leave? What else you need?
Appreciate your cooperation coming back out. That way we don't have to make a big stink about anything. And like he said, we're going to verify that and make sure it's still active. If you took care of it, but it's showing still active, you'll have to take that up with them.
Yeah, they already got here like everybody got right now.
You just do an ABR for obstruction for me. I'll sign the warrant. I'm writing all this up.
Okay.
What we doing now?
Because he's saying that they already took care of it, we're going the extra step to verify with them that it's still active.
Okay, has he give y'all any problems?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Can we just get, how many does it usually take for one person? It's too many cars out here, y'all. She
She's
gone.
about to leave.
Can somebody else leave,
We
please?
don't need any more.
At least one, two maybe.
What we can do now that Higgy's here, if y'all want to go 10-8, that way
Yeah, that's
he can
fine.
transport. So,
Thank you.
whatever you want to.
There's your name right there. And then it's the misdemeanor original charge, failure to appear to yield row to vehicle pickup 30-mile radius for Clark County, okay? So right here it shows the warrant was signed 10/10 of 2023, okay?
I happened to run the tag and saw, I thought I had the wrong address, but I saw the guy whose truck that was has a warrant for abandonment of a child. So I was like, I can't just ignore it. So. Did they say his was confirmed too?
Yeah, and that's the one that you were checking on just now.
So they said it's confirmed. So the sheriff's office, I've never even seen this charge, to be honest with you.
It was something I had with child support. I had that child support. Nah, it's just...
Like I said, man, wasn't looking for you. She's been stealing from Target pretty regularly, so was looking for her and just happened to see your truck here.
All right.
What Target? Out of town?
Well, with that being confirmed, let's just go ahead and I guess we'll get you down there and you can get the process started, all right?
She said she's only done 2 of them, but I got to do some more research. It looks to me like it's her in more than 2 of them. There's been like 7 incidents. Same thing. Girl fills up a tote in the same car every time. I could tell.
What car?
Just some car, some lady car.
Child support stuff?
Yeah.
They haven't given her rides.
The child support at Superior Court. This shit I'm talking about is in...
Right. Well, I know what car. I know what car.
I'm getting with child support.
Yeah, and she claims, oh, it's
Well, and we're taking your word on the fact that it might be related because it's that child abandonment charge.
I remember Camry.
So.
No, in municipal court and child support and Superior Court, I'm telling you, because I helped you.
We're going to verify that there's active warrant.
But if we're confirmed, then I say, yeah, let's just go ahead and move and get done with this. Go ahead and stand up then, sir.
If they confirm, it means y'all didn't wait and get no help.
What you need me to
Yeah, I'm gonna get you the phone now.
You want her to have the stuff? Yeah, she can have the phone. Do you want to have the wallet and the keys too? Oh, are you going to get to? Yeah, there. Sorry, I misunderstood you. Do you want to leave anything here, or do you want to keep this?
Before you call.
All right, cool.
Okay. And they'll let you get numbers out of it there too.
Yeah, nobody memorizes numbers.
I know I searched your pockets and everything. I do got to pull your hood down real quick though. But before you get in, I wanted to leave it on you up there so that you didn't get cold. All right, you're good. Go ahead and hop in.
Let me lock these so they don't
Show
get
the
tied.
warrant. Just show the warrant.
Will you listen to me
Like
for
what
5
traffic
seconds?
stop?
It's just for failure to appear on something.
All right, I'm gonna lock these so they don't get tighter on your wrist, okay? Okay.
We got our own charges. You confirm the warrant.
They do need to confirm the warrant. Y'all like me up?
I'll show you the warrant when we get in the car too.
I need to touch y'all. Like you look fire,
Pulled
dude.
away.
Oh my god.
We're gonna get you some shoes. Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me, poke me, something you shouldn't have?
Obviously.
Huh?
Stop talking to me.
Okay, well if you cross the guard lines with anything, that becomes.
I don't got nothing. I just woke up. Like I didn't wash in the face.
I asked you a question.
So what's all the charges real?
Right now, you're just going for obstruction in your warrant, and I'll.
Obstruction to what?
You pulled away when we.
What? That's a whole nother charge. So what? And then when I go to jail, then what?
Well, then you'll get out, and then I'll take warrants for the shoplifting.
Like y'all some silly.
You want to hold on to her, and I'll go get my car and pull it over here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why the fuck y'all gotta hold me? Like you don't even that serious.
They're getting her confused.
Touch me.
You getting her some shoes?
Yeah, can she sit right here?
No, can I get the sauce you got on? I did some white pants. I can't go in there with them.
I don't know what none of that, Cameron.
Call me.
Are you Mr.
Man, ain't nobody answer no more questions though. No, sir. Nobody, no judge or nothing. I ain't even seen that. All of a sudden I leave and it's something going on out here.
Sir, what's your name?
Why?
I think that's your.
No, the f is not. It's my brother. What's wrong with y'all?
Hey, sir.
Sir, please, you don't
Do
have
not.
to
Do not. Do
I'm
not.
gonna get the sheriff's office out here.
Like, what is wrong with y'all, bro?
You can get them.
Central.
So that you know, the right in there, I got an obstruction to live. Obstruction because she was resisting. Like I tried to fight these. These some silly.
Pulled away.
talking to me.
Pulled away.
Why stop talking to me?
Of an officer. Listen, we'll deal with
I
it.
had that charge before. Like, he a liar.
Cameras out here.
Man, I don't want to put them on them. I can't go in there with them.
Stop yelling at me.
I'm sorry. Like, I already, like,
You guys, what y'all think now? She
close enough. Yeah.
Well, he had some slides for her, I thought, but then he turned around and disappeared.
That was like his house. That's my
It's
what's
Jeremy.
wrong with y'all? No, it's not. Candace Haynes.
Okay.
That's a child. Like, what's wrong
The
with
guy whose
y'all?
car this is here.
God,
The guy whose car this is he here?
no.
We'll see.
Your warrant is from, they signed it on the 10th day of October in 2023, okay?
And what is for?
It's failure to appear. It's original charge traffic. I can let you see it when we get to the car, okay?
I want to see it. No, my mom wants to see it.
Well, I don't have to show it to her.
Why not? Show it to me before you take me into custody.
Good, that's what she's saying, is once you're into the car, she'll show
Give me
you.
my stuff.
Well, once she gets that, we'll go to the car. I'll search you, and then I'll let you see it, okay?
Keep an eye on the outside. The other dude that he thinks might be Jeremy disappeared back into the house, so who knows if he might try and dip out another door or something.
What the is wrong with him?
There you go.
Like, mama, this is your house. I can't do all this.
Excuse me. Sir, what's going on?
We just got here, man. We're just helping them out, okay?
Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
That's talking about who car this is. This is not no Jerry car.
This one's registered to him, it is.
I don't see no warrant papers for nobody. I don't see no.
But this is
warrant
this.
papers
He's
for
not in
nobody.
there.
Okay.
That's what, exactly.
We're gonna go ahead and go.
Junior, let me get that shirt. You ain't got no white box.
They won't let you take him back in there, but you can take the shirt and put it on her.
Jacket you want to give her for now, or a sweatshirt or something?
That long sleeve
That's
shirt.
fine.
That long sleeve shirt. Tell him I'm gonna bring it back to me. Like, what is your problem with Jerry? What's up? What?
The guy who owns his truck has a warrant.
For what?
He has a warrant.
For what?
For criminal activity.
What?
That's what warrants are for.
Pretty sure that's the guy I saw in there
It's
that
not.
dipped in there.
It's not.
Is he in here, Jeremy?
No, didn't I just say no?
Hello?
Don't step house, I'm telling you.
Hey, sir.
Cause just 'cause my mom don't know her rights don't mean nothing.
who owns this truck here? Jeremy.
Junior, you ain't gotta talk to the you don't know him.
You want me to just slide it over
Junior, tell
again?
her to give me that long sleeve shirt. Junior, go get the long sleeve shirt for my mom.
Well, that's the guy I just saw.
Junior, just tell her.
I'm telling you, I ain't got nothing to do with
Would you
it.
tell her?
Junior, tell her to give me that long sleeve shirt. Junior, close the door.
The guy who came out here.
She wants a long sleeve shirt.
I need that long sleeve shirt.
She wants a long sleeve.
Ma'am, the owner.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm not taking you out of handcuffs because what happened over here. So what I can do,
Have him come out here.
listen, what I can do is I can slide this over you and slide this over you.
Just know what I'm saying. You keep coming out once you ain't showing nobody. Right him. I gotta have I'm talking right the down.
Come on.
Stop.
Stop.
That's a line.
Shut your mouth now.
Mom, that thing you don't know your rights.
Do you hear me? Shut it now.
So, ma'am, he has a warrant for abandonment of a child. If he comes out here, this can be taken care of easily. He can go with her, and he'll be out in a few hours. If we have to get the sheriff's office, we will come get him.
You know what, you're right.
But by November 2024, his case was quietly dismissed. No trial, no plea, no consequence. Some people slipped through the cracks. She didn't. She obstructed, got booked, posted $3,500 bond, and walked out the next morning thinking the worst was behind her. It wasn't. April 18th. Guilty plea. 24 hours confinement. Practically nothing but those shoplifting warrants still waiting. June 1st, arrested again. Pled guilty again. This time the judge saw the full picture. 5 years probation, $1,483 restitution, $100 in fees,